What's up guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to put new tailgate straps on your 1997 Chevrolet S10. So like most old trucks, these straps, they're quite worn out. As you can see, this one's very stretched and it's actually bent this anchor just a little bit, and this is what we've got to work with here. So as you can see, there's no actual bolt here, so we're just going to grind this off and then we're going to replace it with a new piece, and then we're going to replace this strap with a brand new one. Alright guys, we got just a flap disc here, regular grinder, and we're just going to grind this off smooth. If you get into this, it doesn't matter, it's not going to hurt it. Now that we've got the end of that ground off, we can just simply pull this off and then grab this plastic washer. You're going to want to reuse this. You don't have to, but I would if you can save it. So now what we're going to do is grind this flat with this piece here. Alright, now that you've got that ground completely flat, we're going to take a punch and a hammer. Just going to put it right here where it was, and that's it. Now we're going to take a T40 and take this bolt off. This one too. Easy as that. Now this extra little piece came out. Pull this out just a little bit. Now we have access to the back. The other side is just as simple as picking it up and pulling it off. That's trash. I might actually try to hammer this up a little bit to try to put it back where it's supposed to be. Better than it was, not perfect, but it's okay. So when you put this on, you're going to want to make sure that this little angle goes this way, and I will link these in the description. These are only $10. And for only $10 on eBay, this is like really good quality. I'm quite surprised, and these came in like 2 days. Super fast. So now what I'm going to do is take this little plastic washer, put it on the side that's going to contact this, and it comes with this new little bolt. And just like that, we're going to now pull this out, put it through that hole, and then it comes with this tiny little C-clip. Well, that happens a lot, but it's okay. Not that big of a deal. Try it again. Put it in there. Just like that. And I'm gonna set this little clip on top. There's really not a great way to do this, just because the clip is so small and hard to work with. And that happens a lot, and you might even lose it. But just take your time, you'll get it. Whoa, what? How'd that even happen? Alright, so after you teach that clip a lesson, go ahead and throw your bolts back in it. Just like that. Alright, now the only thing you have left to do is slap that thing on there and you're done. That easy. That'll be it for this video, and I'll see you all next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your buddies. Thanks for watching.